How to change clock color on Pixel 8 Pro lock screen. By default, when you lock your phone, you can see the lock screen clock style on your Pixel 8 and other Pixel device. To change the lock screen clock color, unlock your Pixel device. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style. Now at the top left corner, you can find the lock screen option. Tap on it. Now swipe the screen to set the lock screen clock style. First, here we select this clock style. Now tap the clock color to change the clock color and size. Now select the clock color from the list you want to set. Here we select this color. You can also increase or decrease the brightness of a clock font like this on your Pixel 8 and other Pixel device. Select it. Also select the size dynamic or lock screen. You can see how it looks on a Pixel lock screen. So after that, now go back and lock your Pixel device and you can see changes on your Pixel font on a clock. That's it. If you like it, share it.